붉은색 차량 한 대가 갑자기 앞차를 들이받기 시작하는데 하지만 조금 전까지 앞에 있던 회색 차량은 어느새 흔적도 없이 사라져버렸고 그는 회색 차량을 찾기 위해 한적한 골목으로 들어서게 되는데 바로 그때 숨어있던 회색 차량이 갑자기 튀어나와 충돌한 뒤 도주하기 시작하였고 끝내 회색 차량을 놓친 그는 뒤따라오던 경찰을 따돌리기 위한 방법을 떠올리게 됩니다. 과연 그는 누구이며 대체 누굴 쫓고 있었던 걸까요? 잭 리처 지금 바로 시작합니다. 도로를 빠른 속도로 달리기 시작하는 하얀색 승합차 한 대. 차량은 주차 타워 안으로 들어서며 구석진 한 곳에 주차를 하게 되고 곧이어 차량에서 내리는 의문의 한 남자. 그는 비닐로 덮인 한 공간으로 이동하였고 준비해 두었던 총을 꺼내 자리에 앉는데 잠시 후 그는 사람들을 향해 미친 듯이 총을 쏘기 시작하였고 그렇게 총 6발을 쏜 뒤 차를 타고 그대로 도주해버리는 남자. 도시는 순식간에 아수라장이 돼버립니다. 이후 범인을 잡기 위해 군인과 경찰들이 현장에 빠르게 투입되지만 이미 범인은 떠난 뒤였고 에머슨 형사는 범인의 흔적을 찾기 위해 주변을 살피기 시작하는데 에머슨 형사는 사건의 결정적 단서인 탄피를 발견하였고 곧이어 범인의 지문이 묻은 동전까지 찾아내게 되죠. 범인의 신원을 확보한 경찰은 곧장 그의 집으로 들이닥치게 되고 주차장에서는 현장 CCTV에 찍힌 하얀색 승합차와 동일한 차량 그리고 사건에 사용된 탄피가 발견됩니다. 곧이어 용의자에 대한 조사가 시작되는데
This here's District Attorney Roden. See, the DA likes the needle. You live a long life with all your teeth knocked out. I don't know what kind of man you are. He's willing to let you take your pick. A long and costly trial and confess right now.
그렇게 수사가 순조롭게 진행되는 듯 보이던 그때
What the hell is this?
Jack Reacher. Jack is a ghost. Cards, no credit history, P.O. Box. Well, I can tell you who he was. Mother was a French national, father in the Corps. Iraq, Afghanistan, the Balkans. Silver Star, Bronze Star, Legion of Merit. By all accounts, a brilliant investigator. Then 2 years ago, he musters out. He's making the occasional withdrawal.
Any warrants?
Record's clean.
He's got to be wanted for something.
His record is clean.
How do we find this Reacher?
그 순간
There's a Jack Reacher here to see you.
잭 리처가 스스로 사무실에 찾아오는데
James Barr.
곧이어 세 사람은 제임스 바가 있는 한 병원에 도착하게 됩니다.
More like some corrections flunky threw him to the wolves.
Just as likely, that was an oversight.
We'll try him when he wakes up. If he wakes up. It's a
Nice
question.
meeting you.
Hey,
Mr. Reacher. Hey!
Hey, hold on.
Well, this is a new low, even for both of you.
You're Barr's attorney?
Helen Roden, Jack Reacher.
How'd they find you? You can't be talking to this man. You went to the DA?
Is there a log incident?
Weird meeting you.
Likewise.
그렇게 헬렌과 잭의 첫 만남이 시작되었고
How do you know James Barr?
Why are you representing him?
I'm a lawyer. I am just trying to keep him off death row. Every suspect in this town is given a choice. Confess.
This is not the fight. Trust me.
I haven't even seen the evidence.
Is this a privileged conversation?
Nothing we say here can be repeated.
Made sniper. With every shot, he's taught to visualize the base. Finally, he's deployed to Iraq. Stares through a scope at civilians. Never once being cleared to fire a single shot. In his career, not one at a human target. Then comes the drawdown. You've been hungry, been horny. Imagine that feeling. Days, weeks, degrees on the deck, and tomorrow you're going home. James Barr, the war's over. You need a release. You need a target. Covered his tracks well. Caught him. And he confessed. Day was the 4 civilian contract. Those just ones I could find before the case was shut down. Just spent the weekend on what they call a rape rally. Someone in the corporation just wanted the whole thing done quietly. But now I know I don't have to.
How can you be sure? He still hasn't seen the evidence. For a severe brain injury and state custody, he may not remember anything at all about his ability to stand trial. You said he confessed in Baghdad.
After everything I just told you.
He didn't confess this time. You want to know why? I can see it's eating you.
헬렌은 잭을 설득하려 하지만
DA won't let you see the evidence. Complete access to the evidence. All of it.
Thanks for the coffee, counselor.
그는 거절 의사를 밝히며 자리를 피했고 버스에 앉아 깊은 고민에 빠지게 되죠. 한편 자신의 차에 올라 잭이 탄 버스를 쫓기 시작하는 헬렌. 바로 그때 잭은 다시 그녀 앞에 모습을 드러내었고
I'm just asking you to look at the evidence. That man you want to keep off death row.
Yes, that is what I'm asking.
You do it. On one condition.
그가 제시한 조건은 이번 사건의 피해자들에 대한 조사를 하는 것이었죠. 그리고 다음 날 아침
I'm Helen Roden. We spoke on the phone.
헬렌은 한 피해자 가족을 만나게 되는데
I was hoping to get a better sense of who the victims were.
Unusual considering your position, isn't it?
I represent James Barr, yes.
Have you spoken with the other families?
Ones who would speak with me.
Come in.
잠시 후
Everything that you want to know about is right here. Your obituary does the rest.
Thank you. Definitely. I think maybe I should go.
You stay where you are. You have a good attorney, Miss Roden.
Yes, I suppose I...
That man deserves to die, Miss Roden. Why would you defend him?
And I promise I won't bother you again.
그녀는 황급히 자리를 벗어나 차에 시동을 걸기 시작하죠.
What the hell are you doing? You're not the only one with crack investigators, Helen. Missing for the last 2 years. Just anything he tells you. You don't know the man. You're gonna ruin your career. Why? For what? You're making a terrible mistake. Helen.
Don't touch me!
그렇게 아버지와의 대화를 피하는 헬렌. 한편 잭은 사건 현장을 둘러보며 범행 동선을 추적하기 시작하였고 이후 에머슨 형사를 찾아가 사건 기록을 확인하게 됩니다.
Thanks for letting me take a look.
Anytime you want to come back, take a look at this stuff.
I did all right. Why do you think he paid for parking?
Simple loony won't do it for you.
And he's worried about the meter maid?
Habit.
Like I said, it's damn fine work. Forest for the trees, detective.
그날 저녁 잭은 한 술집으로 향했고 자리를 잡고 앉아 사건을 다시 한번 되짚어보던 중 한 여성이 다가와 말을 걸기 시작하죠.
What's your name?
Jimmy Reese.
I'm Sandy. Do you want to maybe go someplace quieter? It's kind of loud in here.
I can't afford you.
I am not a hooker.
What's this?
He called me a whore.
Is that true?
She inferred hooker. I meant slut.
Beat your ass. Do you want to do that here or outside?
You won't be able to.
결국 패거리들과 싸우기 위해 잭은 밖으로 향했고
It's your last chance to walk away.
Are you kidding? It's 5 against 1.
We take out the leader, which is you. Last two guys, I always run. Remember, you wanted this. Pretty impressive response time, fellas.
Who hired you?
이후 경찰서에 구금된 잭을 찾아온 헬렌과 에머슨 형사.
Hey, Helen.
Understand why you move around a lot, Reacher.
You want to charge me?
Very much.
Somebody dead?
And if someone is,
But no one's pressing.
sadly, no.
You're working for me. Do you understand that?
I was set up.
You're talking to a lawyer.
She was thrown when I told her my name. She was expecting to hear Jack Reacher. Someone sent those boys to put me down.
If someone followed you at the river today, PI then, or the DA's office,
How's your day? You okay?
you hoped it would.
What'd you learn?
Chrissy Ferrier was 22. Finally saved enough money for a trip to China. Wanted Chrissy to stay for her 7th birthday. To shop for a party dress. Nancy Holt's last words to her husband, taking her car to be serviced. She told the clerk she didn't want the purchase at 10th anniversary. Coronado worked as a cleaning lady at the river. Son Marco was 9 years old. She had to personally drop his hard work. Rita was taking him to his first pick up the tickets that very afternoon. Oline Archer never liked her husband's contractors in the county. Lawsuit were forcing them to sell to the competition. You couldn't bring yourself to let it go. She was on her way to secure a loan that day.
헬렌은 자신이 알아낸 정보를 잭에게 모두 전했고
We're gonna be okay.
장소를 옮겨 대화를 이어나가는데
So what'd you learn?
What more do you want? They were 5 innocent people murdered at random, yes.
That means every day, roughly 7,000 average converged on a single spot died together. Is that random? For your wife on the way to work. You buy them on the way home. Or take Darren and Nancy. Odds are they were having an affair. That's why she kept walking while everyone else ran.
What's your point exactly?
I need a list of Barr's known associates.
같은 시각 차 한 대가 누군가를 만나기 위해 한 폐건물로 향하였고 그 폐건물 안에는 이미 한 남성이 차량을 기다리며 서 있었죠.
Barr's attorney hired an investigator. Dad think that was Barr. And he shows up at the river today. Then I'm people asking questions.
We sure don't.
Local people, my guys. I took steps, and it blew back on you. Just one, but I took care of it.
Because we got a way of doing things so they stay done. And you only had to kill one goddamn person you kept.
Jesus. Okay, all right, okay, fix this.
We covered up the one mess. I was in prison in Siberia. Bite could turn to gangrene when so many others did not. So show me your rare
I don't understand.
fingers from your left hand. You can do it.
Come on, you gotta be kidding.
Show me.
곧이어 남자는 자신의 손가락을 깨물며 고통스러워하는데 하지만 얼마 지나지 않아 결국 포기해버립니다.
I don't understand.
다음 날 제임스 바의 주변 인물을 조사하기 위해 다시 만난 잭과 헬렌.
I need you to look for gun ranges between 100. And he made his own bullets. That means he shot. Tank on Saturday and again on Sunday.
He could be going anywhere.
Yes, maybe with a friend. Drop me at the auto parts store.
Wait.
That in your mind is the auto parts store.
잭은 술집에서 만났던 샌디라는 여자를 떠올렸고 그녀가 일하고 있는 자동차 부품점을 찾아 나서게 되죠.
Sandy work here.
What are you, a cop?
I need to speak with her. It's a personal matter.
I'm gonna need to see some ID.
Go get Sandy.
I'm calling the police.
Hey, you are not allowed back in here, man.
You know this guy?
Tell him.
Give us a few, Gary. I didn't know that was gonna happen. It was Jeb. You were supposed to start groping me.
Where can I find Jeb? His address. Write it down.
Am I in trouble?
Not if you lend me your car. You don't have to let these guys use you. Got money?
A little.
Get out of town, Sandy.
잭은 곧장 잽의 집 주소를 확인한 후 샌디에게 차량을 빌려 그의 집으로 향하는데
Jeb home? I have a warrant to search the premises. If you don't mind.
이때 잭이 집 안으로 들어서자 어디론가 연락을 취하는 여자. 그는 이런 사실을 모른 채 집안을 샅샅이 살펴보기 시작합니다. 그리고 얼마 지나지 않아 화장실에서 무언가를 발견한 그는 수상함을 감지하고 밖으로 나가려 하는데
Don't move. My hand.
Where's Jeb?
He's not here.
See the sort to light out like that?
Last I saw him, we was all leaving jail.
Got a car?
It's outside.
You're very kind.
이후 잭은 차를 타고 이동했고 이때 차량 한 대가 그의 뒤를 바짝 쫓기 시작하죠. 그날 저녁 헬렌을 다시 찾아간 잭.
Said on the phone you wanted to submit your findings.
And someone tried to make it look like he left town. You pack your shower curtain when you travel? Evidence your father has against Barr didn't exist. See, from that garage, the shooter had the sun in his eyes. Average shooter firing in poor conditions. Targets are moving left and right as for any sniper.
He did miss.
Pristine bullet. Arguably the prosecution's single most... He didn't miss. Because in Baghdad, the sun's behind him, in single file, in the exact same conditions, and his escape is assured. Fibers, fingerprints, stray brass. I mean, by the way, it doesn't make sense.
Wanted to get caught, and he wanted you to catch him.
He likely would have, and if he wanted to get caught of such perfection, that's what I was willing to accept. He took a run at me.
Just a bar fight.
Right next to their Patsy. No one stopped to think it might be too great. But Barr knew I would, no matter how much I wanted it to be true.
Are you suggesting
James Barr is innocent.
you can see what this is, can't you?
Helen?
It's maybe the last case you'll ever have. Thing not to hit the bottom of it.
Helen.
It makes total sense now. Are you afraid you'll end up like Barr? Let go of me.
And look at the silver Audi across the street. How long would it take you to run it?
그렇게 차량 조회를 하는 동안 사건 자료를 다시 살펴보던 두 사람.
All right, let's just say that Barr or did it because someone put him up to it.
Ridiculous, right?
It's grassy knoll ludicrous.
Exactly. The motive. Just hold on to it.
바로 이때
Give it to me.
잭을 미행하던 차량의 정체를 알게 된 헬렌.
The car was following you all day? Liebendauer Enterprises.
Conspiracy to kill 5 random people?
4 random people.
곧이어 그녀는 잭이 건네준 종이를 확인해 보는데
Someone needed O-line archers, and O-line wouldn't let it go. The one shot that mattered.
It's just a theory.
Now, this frame was custom made for Barr. You find that friend, you'll find the real shooter.
I can't take this to court.
Exposing the truth.
I am just a lawyer. Frankly, neither are you.
Thanks for the coffee, counselor.
잭은 마지막 인사를 건넸고 이에 헬렌은 혼란스러워합니다. 같은 시각 잭을 미행했던 차량 안에서 전화를 받는 남자.
You're blown.
결국 미행 사실이 발각되었고 그는 누군가의 지시를 받아 다음 계획에 돌입하게 되죠.
Wait, it is Sandy, isn't it? Charlie, Jeb's friend? Oh, we were both pretty wasted.
Sorry, I don't remember.
I don't want to keep you, so hey, how about tonight?
Some other time.
Do it here.
이번 사건과 긴밀하게 얽혀있던 샌디. 그녀는 끝내 싸늘한 죽음을 맞이하고 맙니다. 이후 에머슨 형사가 현장에 도착했고 사건을 해결하기 위해 주변 인물들을 조사하기 시작하는데 그리고 그날 저녁
Reacher. There's a gun range in Ohio. Targets out to 700 that matches your requirements. You should sleep.
Wouldn't do that. Not till I get back. So no one would look directly at Oline. Just saying her name could get you killed.
잭은 헬렌에게 받은 주소로 이동하기 전 잠시 몸을 쉬기 위해 숙소로 향하죠. 그런데 숙소 근처에서 자신을 미행했던 회색 차량을 또다시 보게 됩니다. 바로 그때 그의 눈에 들어온 것은 숙소를 둘러싼 수많은 경찰들과 사늘한 주검이 된 샌디의 모습이었죠. 잭은 자신이 함정에 빠졌다는 사실을 깨닫게 되었고 때마침 건물 안에서 모습을 드러내는 에머슨 형사. 그렇게 두 사람의 축격전이 시작되었고 잭 역시 자신을 함정에 빠뜨린 회색 차량을 뒤쫓기 시작합니다. 잠시 후 외부 충격으로 인해 잭의 차량은 시동이 멈춰버리고 그 뒤를 에머슨 형사가 맹렬히 추격해 오는데 다행히 차량에 다시 시동이 걸리며 회색 차량을 다시 추격하기 시작합니다. 하지만 조금 전까지 앞에 있던 회색 차량은 어느새 흔적도 없이 사라져버렸고 그는 회색 차량을 찾기 위해 한적한 골목으로 들어서게 되는데 바로 그때 숨어있던 회색 차량이 갑자기 튀어나와 잭의 차량과 충돌한 뒤 도주하기 시작하였고 끝내 회색 차량을 놓치고 만 잭. 그는 에머슨 형사를 따돌리기 위한 방법을 떠올립니다. 그렇게 한 시민의 도움으로 버스를 타고 현장을 유유히 벗어나게 되죠.
Reacher was seen at her place of work this morning.
3 more men in the hospital this afternoon.
If you know where Reacher is, you need to tell us.
Hey, I told you not to go near him.
You both done. Just get out. This is Helen.
Seconds before you hand the phone.
If that.
I thought I'd be pushing if I mentioned this earlier. You have to believe they could do the same to me. They want me to run. Finish this.
No, that's not a good idea.
Listen, only 3 people knew I was here. Emerson, your father, and you. Who tried to warn you off me. Who has the most to lose if we clear Bar? I think one of them is in on it.
All right.
Who's that you're talking to?
The office.
Helen, listen. We
Good
need to
night.
talk.
아버지가 사건에 연루됐을지도 모른다는 사실에 헬렌은 당혹감을 감추지 못하고 다음 날 잭은 제임스 바와 관련된 정보를 알아내기 위해 헬렌이 알려준 한 사격장으로 향합니다.
You got some fine shooters here.
Can't shoot worth a damn.
They're in Ward. We served in Iraq. I just dropped off the grid, you know.
Your friend got a name?
James Barr.
What do you want?
I want to know who Barr's friends were. We have reason to believe he's innocent. I'll be in your debt.
잠시 후 표적과 함께 실탄을 꺼내는데
3 in the center, maybe we'll talk.
Can I have a few to warm up?
그는 제임스 바에 대한 단서를 얻기 위해 사격장 안으로 들어서 자세를 잡고 사격을 시작하죠.
6 inches right. That's your mulligan, Mr. Ward.
그렇게 사격은 다시 시작되었고 잭의 실탄은 모두 중앙에 명중하며 중요한 단서를 얻게 됩니다.
Never seen this side of civilian life. That's my scroll on everyone.
You hang him down range too? The target's on the range. Maybe Barr let him. It's possible that Barr had a friend.
Real shooter who would do that for his own mother.
Barr didn't come alone, did he?
It's Barr.
Him.
Son of a bitch.
같은 시각
This is just what I could pull this morning.
The allegations come from the competition.
One city at a time, acquiring a no one needs. Highways no one uses. Always amidst allegations of corruption. Never even an inquiry.
How much of this do you honestly believe?
Only matters how much is true.
Well,
All of this paper under my own name.
do you know how delusional you sound?
And I've given you compelling evidence. Your next move will tell me which side you're on.
Protective custody right now.
헬렌은 마지막 희망을 품고 아버지에게 자료를 전달했지만 아무 소용이 없었고 끝내 사무실을 뛰쳐나오게 되는데 에머슨 형사와 같은 엘리베이터를 타게 된 헬렌. 바로 그때 에머슨 형사는 헬렌을 공격했고 진범과 그의 일당은 헬렌을 어디론가 끌고 가버리죠. 그날 저녁 헬렌에게 전화를 걸기 위해 공중전화로 향하는 잭.
Helen?
Is this Reacher?
It's you, guy from the car.
Reacher, is it you?
Well, she's gonna be if you're not here in 1 hour.
Well, I could do one better. Picture, prints, I'm going to the feds.
Get the Zek. Listen to me, you prick. I will kill this. Shit.
I'm a drifter with nothing to lose. Now this is how it's gonna work. And drink your blood from a boot, because I'm in your blind spot.
You got a pen?
이후 그는 헬렌을 구출하기 위해 적이 알려준 주소로 이동하였고 때마침 그를 돕기 위한 지원군도 도착하게 됩니다.
You have something for me?
Yeah. Killed some asshole with my gun. So let's get to it.
잠시 후
Right up there behind those lights, just as soon as you stand up. I can't see anything, not with them lights up. I'll start shooting when he does.
So shoot him out.
Might as well set myself on fire. The sun will be up in an hour. Let's get going.
잭과 캐시는 서둘러 움직이기 시작했고 그 사이 안에서는 헬렌과 적들의 대화가 오가고 있었죠.
I heard them call you the Zek. I have to believe the money you're making. Tell me, killing all those people.
There is no such thing.
And you, why'd you do it?
You'll see.
Seem to forget. For your sake, when you watch how he dies, it will change you.
바로 이때 헬렌에게 전화가 걸려오고
Are you okay?
Please don't do this, not for me.
I say you believe me.
I believe you.
곧이어 잭은 차량을 몰아 적들을 향해 전속력으로 달리기 시작합니다.
This was a bad idea.
Anytime now, Gunny.
캐시는 저격수가 먼저 움직이길 기다리고 있었고 본격적으로 잭을 엄호하기 시작하는 캐시. 그렇게 적의 진영에 다다른 잭은 다음 작전에 돌입하게 되는데 바로 이때 캐시의 위치가 적에게 발각되지만 잭의 도움으로 위기를 넘겼고 이후 헬렌을 구하기 위해 건물 안으로 들어서게 되죠. 하지만 헬렌의 모습은 어디에도 보이지 않았고 잭은 벽에 붙은 지도를 단서로 그녀의 위치를 파악하게 됩니다. 잠시 후 밖에서 총성이 울려 퍼지기 시작하는데
You should go.
상황을 파악하기 위해 주위를 살피던 그 순간
Toss it.
잭은 들고 있던 총을 버리고 빗속에서 격투를 벌이게 됩니다. 곧이어 헬렌을 인질로 잡고 있는 에머슨에게 다가가는 잭.
I know you're in there, Emerson. I just didn't fit. It was staring me right in the face.
Who is he?
That's John Doe number 2. They call him the Zek.
What's your real name?
Zek Cheloviek.
Call the police. With a name like yours, you're gonna feel right at home.
If I go to prison at all, who is left to say otherwise? Who homeless drifter wanted for murder? Which one of us goes to prison?
Neither one.
What about getting the guys who really did this? What about the truth?
I just did.
그리고 다음 날
No, the police didn't talk to you, did they?
제임스 바의 혐의를 벗기기 위한 마지막 질문이 이어지죠.
How bad was it?
You don't remember anything about the incident?
I don't even remember wanting to do it.
I've done things before. A long time ago. And I got away with it.
How well do you know this place? And how do you think you would have done it?
I would have parked up on the highway. Get away real clean, too.
Sounds as if you know your stuff. I'm gonna take care of you.
You can't protect me.
From what?
He doesn't care about the law. He only cares about what's right. He made me a promise. He'd be there.
재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.